Hello. So I'm excited today to be bringing you another new collection, okay? This one launches at the end of March 20th, I believe, and it consists of 6 new glitter gels, 3 new foils. I've also got a couple of great freebies that are going to be included in that. Okay, so I'm not quite sure what the offers in that are, but when I do know, I will add them to the comments so that you can go down and go straight to those products. All right, so this is what we have. We have got glitter gels or speckled egg gels. So these are glitter gels and they're great for any time of year, but what these gels are, first I've got to tell you the most exciting thing. So bottles are going to be changing. Our usual size bottles are these size bottles and they contain 12 ml. So our bottles are going to be changing to these larger size bottles and they are going to contain 15 ml of product. But the best thing about this is the price is not going to change. So whereas you were getting 12 ml of product, you are going to be getting 15 ml of product for exactly the same price. So that is a great little update for you that we are really excited about. So yeah, first bit of news. So now you know that, let's take a look at the colors. So I'm going to do a little swatch for you, but first up we have got Morning Dew. This is beautiful. This is a real sagey pastel green. And as you can see you've got those little flecks of glitter in there. Excuse my nail. I currently wear a retainer because I've had aligners and this is my pulling out finger and I keep pulling this nail off. We'll do it this way around so you can see my nice nails. So yeah, Morning Dew, look at that, beautiful. Got those gorgeous specks in there. I've done quite a few designs with these, and although we are saying they are perfect for your mini egg nails, there's loads of other designs. They're great for spring because they're just really nice spring, summer colors anyway. So this one is called Sweetie, and I'll show you there. It is sort of a peachy color, again with that lovely fleck inside it. The great thing about these flecks is, although we're calling them glitter gels, they're not sparkly. So you see them and they add an effect and a depth to the color, but they're not glittery. So that's a really nice effect, nice and different. So this one is called Bunny. Oh, look at that. That is a gorgeous purpley lilac-y pink. Very nice. I like that one a lot. Then we have got Speckled Eggs. This one's really cute. This is like your powdery pastel blue. Again, gorgeous color. You can see those speckles in there. Then we've got Daffodil. This is your gorgeous lemony speckle color. Lovely. We love a bit of lemon. Lemon's always really popular in the summer. It's a really complimentary summer color. I love it, especially those sort of pastel tones. Then we have Bonnet. This is your pastel-y pinky color. Very pink, very pastel. Love it. Love it, love it. Love them all. So then we're going on to Flakes. I mean, Lecentè keep coming out with these flakes and they're absolutely awesome and they're really popular. I've done a little video that I'll pop up on the flakes because they are just such a simple way of adding some real wow factor to your nails. They're so easy to apply. They're really versatile and they go in loads of designs. So we have got Unicorn Horn, which has got this gorgeous orangey color to it. Really nice. So there's loads of colors that'll look amazing over. The thing with flakes as well is don't always use them on a corresponding color. They look great over different colors. So for instance, pop this over black, pop it over green. It's going to give you different iridescent effects, whatever color you use it on. So then we have got Fairy Wings. Here it is. This is beautiful, isn't it? Really nice. I tell you what, I done this orange over the other day and it looked amazing. I used this color, which is sandy, and I done the orange flakes over top. It looked really cool. So like I say, don't think that because this is orange, you've got to use it on orange. I mean, I know that is an orange color, but try it on black, try it on pink, try it on anything. You'll probably get a really nice sort of tutti fruity tone if you use it over a bright pink. So mix it up and give them a try over different things. So the last one we've got is Mermaid Tail, which as you can see is a greeny color. I'll just open this for you because you can't see how beautiful the flakes are until you actually look in the pot. They are just gorgeous. And these pots go on forever. Like that, so many applications in there. Like you probably never use your pot up. So on to the little freebies that we have. Like I say, I'm not 100% sure what the offer deals are on these, but I will show you anyway. So we have got a foil, and this is a floral foil. As you can see, there's nice big flowers in there, so you can cut out the specific flowers and choose where you want them on the nail if you just want a flower coming out of the corner or something. So there's lots of great designs you can create using those. That's a really pretty summery one. Pop it back in its little box. And we also have an I'm Yours glitter. So this is black glitter. I haven't taken the top off this yet, so I can take it off and show you. Also great for getting in there with the speckled egg designs. I think this would also make a great sort of black glitter ombre, either going down from the tip or up from the base. Lots of things you can do with that. I need to get that out and have a little play with it. It's also a great effect for just putting it over your other colours. I don't know if you've seen like the, I can't remember what it's called now, it's gone out of my head, like a tile effect where you put a few different dots of different colours and then put a faint little tiny sprinkling of this around. It gives a really nice effect. The terrazzo look, I think it's called, off the top of my head. So yeah, that is what we have got in this collection. We've got bigger bottles, so you're getting more for your dollar, which is awesome, isn't it? I mean, lots of people struggling at the moment, so for the company to go all out and give us more product for the same money, I mean, where else does that happen? This is what you get with Lecentè. It is a very giving company that is there to help and support us nail techs, and that is why I love it, as well as the products being great and doing what it says on the bottle. So yeah, that is a quick run through of what we've got. Got some swatches coming up, so I will pop them on in a second. I've swatched on my nails. Unfortunately, because I didn't get time to do this hand, I have missed one colour swatch. So I will add, it's Sweetie that I've missed. I will add that on tip as well. So just so you know, you're gonna see the other colours going on nails, and then you're gonna see this colour go on a tip. All right, well, I hope you love the collection. Don't forget, you can use my code Claire10, which will save you money on any full price products. So you won't get the discount off bundles if they are already on offer, but if you're buying anything else that is full price, pop my code in. That's gonna save you money every single time you shop Lecentè. I mean, you can't get better than that, can you? And I'll pop links to all the products in the comments below. And that's it. I hope you enjoy the swatch. Iridescent flakes are one of the simplest way to add some gorgeous bling to your nails. So I've just painted the nail in macaron and I'm using the colour Mermaid's Tails. Now I am literally just dabbing these using my G1 brush into the tacky layer of the colour. Just going to then brush that over to smooth them all down, removing any loose pieces before I top coat. And you can see that is instantly stunning. I just love flakes exactly for this reason. They just create beautiful nail art. So now I've used Peach Lemonade and I'm adding Unicorn Horn. Again, you can see all those beautiful iridescent colours. This is just an effortless way to add something amazing to your nails. I've used a matte top coat to demonstrate how gorgeous they can look with matte or clear, okay? So now let's pop fairy wings over cotton candy. Aren't these just beautiful? Look at those shiny iridescent colours. I hope you love them.